Top 7 Best Cooking Oils for Diabetics. Lower blood sugar. What if I told you that the type of oil you use for cooking could actually help lower your blood sugar levels? Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick around to discover the 7 best cooking oils for diabetics that can actually support your health while making your meals taste amazing. When it comes to managing diabetes, we often focus on things like sugar and carbs. But there's one ingredient in your kitchen that might be just as important: cooking oil. Not all fats are created equal, and picking the right oils can make a real difference in your blood sugar levels. In this video, we'll dive into the top 7 cooking oils that not only lower your blood sugar, but also promote a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking to manage diabetes or prevent it, these oils will become your new best friend in the kitchen. Now let's start the video. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, is one of the healthiest oils you can include in your diet, especially for people managing diabetes. EVO is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are essential for improving insulin sensitivity. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, a common issue for people with diabetes, and support the efficient use of insulin, allowing the body to process glucose better. Studies have shown that incorporating EVOO into your diet can lower blood sugar levels, improve insulin function, and even reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. One of the key benefits of EVOO is its high content of antioxidants, especially polyphenols. These compounds manage oxidative stress, which contributes to insulin resistance and help lower blood glucose levels after meals by slowing carbohydrate digestion. This results in more gradual glucose absorption, promoting stable blood sugar levels. If you're looking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels, replacing unhealthy fats with EVOO in your cooking can make a huge difference. EVO is versatile and can be used for sautéing vegetables, dressing salads, or even baking. It adds rich flavor while offering numerous health benefits, especially for blood sugar control. However, it's important to consume it in moderation. Despite being a healthy fat, EVO is still calorie-dense, and consuming too much can lead to unwanted weight gain, which may negatively affect blood sugar levels. Finding the right balance is key to using EVOO effectively for diabetes management. Incorporating EVOO into a Mediterranean-style diet, which emphasizes whole foods and healthy fats, can provide long-term benefits for both managing and preventing diabetes. 2. Avocado oil. If you're managing diabetes or looking to keep your blood sugar in check, you'll want to pay attention to avocado oil. Just like olive oil, avocado oil is loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats that not only support heart health but also help regulate blood sugar levels. These healthy fats are essential for reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity, which can be a huge help in managing diabetes. What makes avocado oil stand out is its impressive nutrient profile. It's rich in vitamin E, antioxidants, and beneficial compounds like oleic acid. Oleic acid, the same heart-healthy fat found in olive oil, helps improve insulin function, allowing your body to use glucose more efficiently. This can result in better blood sugar control, especially for people with type 2 diabetes. Additionally, avocado oil is known to lower bad LDL cholesterol while boosting good HDL cholesterol, which reduces the risk of heart disease, something especially important for diabetics, who are at a higher risk for cardiovascular problems. Avocado oil is versatile in the kitchen. Its light, buttery flavor makes it a great substitute for less healthy oils or fats, like butter and mayonnaise. You can use it for sautéing, grilling, or even drizzling over your favorite salad. It also works well in dressings and marinades. By replacing traditional mayonnaise or margarine with avocado oil, you're cutting down on unhealthy saturated fats and incorporating a much healthier fat that benefits your body in multiple ways. But the benefits of avocado oil don't stop at just blood sugar control. This oil is also a fantastic option for skin and hair care. The healthy fats and antioxidants in avocado oil can nourish your skin and help keep it moisturized. It's often used in homemade masks to treat dry or damaged hair as well. The combination of internal health benefits and external beauty benefits makes avocado oil a must-have in your pantry and possibly even your beauty routine. For diabetics, the key is moderation. Although avocado oil is a healthy fat, it's still calorie-dense. The right portion size is crucial to avoid excess calories that could lead to weight gain, which can affect blood sugar levels. Aim to use avocado oil in balanced meals, and you'll be giving your body the healthy fats it needs to manage diabetes while enjoying its rich flavor and texture in your favorite dishes. 3. Peanut oil. Peanut oil might not be the first oil you think of when it comes to managing diabetes, but it's definitely one you should consider adding to your diet. Rich in both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, peanut oil is a heart-healthy cooking oil that also plays a significant role in controlling blood sugar levels and promoting overall health. One of the standout benefits of peanut oil is its ability to help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Studies have shown that incorporating peanut oil into your diet can lower the risk of heart disease by as much as 16%. This is especially important for people with diabetes, who are at a higher risk for cardiovascular problems. Peanut oil helps balance cholesterol levels by increasing the good HDL cholesterol while lowering the bad LDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of plaque buildup in your arteries. The benefits of peanut oil extend beyond just heart health. It has been found to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for people managing diabetes. The healthy fats in peanut oil promote better insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to process glucose more efficiently. As a result, incorporating peanut oil into your meals can help maintain stable blood sugar levels, making it easier to manage your diabetes. Peanut oil's nutty flavor also makes it an excellent addition to a wide variety of dishes, adding depth and richness to your meals. It pairs perfectly with both savory and sweet dishes. You can use it in cooking stir-fries, roasting vegetables, or even drizzling it over salads. The nutty flavor of roasted peanut oil makes it an excellent choice for decadent desserts, giving them a healthy fat boost without sacrificing taste. For diabetics, the key to using peanut oil is moderation. While peanut oil offers plenty of health benefits, it's still a calorie-dense fat, so it's important to use it in balanced portions. To get the best results, try using it in combination with other heart-healthy oils, like olive or avocado oil, to ensure a well-rounded fat intake in your diet. 4. Flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is one of the most nutrient-dense oils you can add to your diet, especially for managing diabetes. Derived from the seeds of the flax plant, this oil is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining heart health. These omega-3s have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, two important factors for controlling blood sugar levels. Including flaxseed oil in your meals can help keep your blood sugar stable while also protecting your heart. One of the key benefits of flaxseed oil is its high content of polyunsaturated fats, which play a critical role in maintaining a balanced diet. These healthy fats can help lower bad LDL cholesterol and raise good HDL cholesterol levels, which reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. This is especially important for people with diabetes, who are more prone to cardiovascular complications. By incorporating flaxseed oil into your diet, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to support both heart health and blood sugar regulation. Flaxseed oil also contains fiber and protein, making it a great addition to any meal plan. These nutrients help with digestion, promote a feeling of fullness, and support overall health. While flaxseed oil doesn't contain as much fiber as whole flax seeds, it still provides a substantial amount of dietary fiber, which is crucial for managing blood sugar. Fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, helping to prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. When using flaxseed oil, it's important to keep in mind that it's best for low-temperature cooking. High heat can damage the delicate omega-3 fatty acids in the oil, so it's not ideal for frying or sautéing. Instead, use it in smoothies, salad dressings, or drizzle it over cooked vegetables. Flaxseed oil is a great addition to a vitamin-packed smoothie, where you can easily blend it with other healthy ingredients for a refreshing, blood sugar-friendly snack. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more tips on managing diabetes and living a healthier life. Also, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. 5. Canola oil. Canola oil is often overlooked in favor of more well-known options like olive oil, but it's actually one of the best cooking oils for diabetics. Rich in both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, canola oil can help regulate blood sugar levels while also improving heart health. These healthy fats play a crucial role in improving insulin sensitivity, which is vital for managing diabetes. One of the standout benefits of canola oil is its ability to help balance cholesterol. Research has shown that using canola oil in your cooking can lower bad LDL cholesterol and raise good HDL cholesterol, which can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke, a serious concern for many diabetics. By adding canola oil to your meals, you can support your heart while managing blood sugar levels. Another major advantage of canola oil is its high smoking point, which makes it perfect for a wide range of cooking methods. Unlike oils that can break down at high heat, canola oil can withstand high cooking temperatures, making it ideal for sautéing, grilling, or even frying. This makes it incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into breakfast, lunch, or dinner recipes. Whether you're cooking eggs in the morning, preparing a stir-fry for lunch, or frying chicken for dinner, canola oil offers a healthy alternative that won't compromise flavor. Canola oil's neutral flavor makes it a perfect addition to nearly any dish. Unlike oils like olive oil or sesame oil, which have distinct flavors, canola oil allows the natural taste of your food to shine through. This versatility makes it easy to swap out less healthy oils or fats in your cooking without changing the flavor profile of your meals. To get the most benefit, use canola oil as part of a balanced diet that includes other heart-healthy ingredients. Pairing it with fiber-rich foods, like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, will maximize its ability to stabilize blood sugar levels while supporting overall health. 6. Sunflower oil. Sunflower oil, derived from sunflower seeds, is a powerhouse when it comes to managing diabetes and promoting overall health. Packed with both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, sunflower oil is a heart-healthy option that can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cholesterol. This makes it an excellent addition to a balanced diet, especially for those managing or at risk for diabetes. Studies have shown that sunflower oil can lower total cholesterol, which is important for preventing cardiovascular issues, a common concern for people with diabetes. It's also been found to help control glucose levels, making it an effective tool for managing blood sugar and preventing blood sugar spikes after meals. The combination of healthy fats in sunflower oil supports insulin sensitivity, helping the body process glucose more efficiently. One of the standout features of sunflower oil is its mild, neutral flavor, which makes it an incredibly versatile cooking oil. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, frying up fish, or baking your favorite treats, sunflower oil can be used in nearly any recipe without altering the taste of your food. This makes it a great option for those who want a healthy cooking oil that won't interfere with the flavors of their dishes. In addition to its heart and blood sugar benefits, sunflower oil is also packed with antioxidants, which can support skin health and combat the effects of aging. This makes it a double-duty oil, useful for not only cooking but also skincare. You can even use sunflower oil to create a nourishing garden herb sauce to glaze chicken or whip up an anti-aging face mask for a little self-care. Sunflower oil is also great for high-heat cooking due to its high smoke point, which makes it perfect for frying or grilling. This oil holds up well at temperatures where other oils might break down, making it ideal for everyday cooking. 7. Coconut oil. Coconut oil often sparks debate because of its high saturated fat content, but it's important to note that not all saturated fats are created equal. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, a unique form of saturated fat that is more likely to be used for energy rather than stored as fat. While it's important to consume saturated fats in moderation, lauric acid in coconut oil is believed to have a more favorable impact on metabolism compared to other sources of saturated fat. Coconut oil may not offer as many confirmed health benefits as oils like olive or avocado oil, but it is still a better choice than butter, especially for people managing diabetes. Studies suggest that coconut oil may help improve cholesterol levels, which is important for preventing cardiovascular issues, a concern for many diabetics. By substituting coconut oil for butter, you can reduce your intake of harmful trans fats and still enjoy a rich, flavorful oil in your cooking. One of the reasons many people choose coconut oil is its versatility. It has a long shelf life compared to vegetable-based oils, which makes it convenient for everyday use. Whether you're sautéing, frying, or baking, coconut oil can replace traditional oils with its rich flavor and unique properties. Its slightly sweet, fresh coconut flavor adds a tropical twist to both sweet and savory dishes. For example, try drizzling a little coconut oil over a warm sweet potato soup. It adds a layer of flavor that complements the dish beautifully. Additionally, coconut oil is a go-to for beauty routines due to its moisturizing properties. You can use it for dry skin, chapped lips, or even as a nourishing hair treatment. So, not only does coconut oil help in the kitchen, but it's also an excellent addition to your skincare regimen. Choosing the right cooking oils can make a significant impact on your health, especially if you're managing diabetes. Oils like olive, avocado, peanut, flaxseed, canola, sunflower, and coconut oil all offer unique benefits for blood sugar control, heart health, and overall well-being. By incorporating these diabetes-friendly oils into your daily meals, you're not just improving your dishes, you're also supporting better blood sugar regulation and reducing the risk of heart disease, both of which are vital for managing diabetes. Remember, it's all about balance and making smart choices. Whether you're sautéing vegetables with olive oil, using avocado oil for a fresh salad, or swapping out butter for healthier coconut oil in your baking, each of these oils can support your diabetes management in its own way. The key is moderation and variety to keep your diet both delicious and nutritious. Which cooking oil is your favorite to use in your diabetic-friendly meals? Have you noticed any changes since you started using healthier oils? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out more videos on managing diabetes in the description below. Stay healthy, stay happy, and take care of yourself. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.